Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to add references to our Zotero database. I'm sure you already know that Zotero has its own database, and then you can transfer your references from this database to your work. So first thing that you need to do is to install its extensions in your browsers. For example, go to its website, and here you can see that it has its connectors for Firefox, but they are also available for other browsers such as Chrome. For example, if you go to Chrome, you need to go to the option of more tools, and then you should go to the extensions, and when you get to the extensions, you just write Zotero in the search bar, and there you can find the extension for Chrome, which is called Zotero connector. And since I have already installed it, so it's showing there, but you can just simply add it to your browser. So now let's get back to the Firefox. Now there are three ways that you can add references to your Zotero database. First way of doing it is to use that same extension that you have just downloaded, this extension or connector. Let's say that we want to add this paper into our database of Zotero. And the technique is very simple. Just get to the extension there. It is the extension, and just simply click the icon here. And here you can see that it has been added to my folder within Zotero with the title of tutorial. So this paper has been added to the database. So this is the use of the connector. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, and here it's saying that it is not the full paper. The full paper has not been downloaded, because then you have to pay for it. So now let's see and go. So here you can see this is my folder of tutorial, and here you can see that this paper has just been added to my database, and the entire abstract and other information of the paper is now mentioned here. Okay, and now let's get to our second way of adding papers to our Zotero database, and that comes with the use of a DOI. Okay, now this is yet again paper, and if we want to use the other technique, what we should do here, that we should just simply copy this. Now let Okay, now it's been copied. There are several ways of copying it. I just use one way. Another simple way is right click on it and use copy link location. Okay, you can also do that. That's another way. Now get back to your Zotero and simply click on this item and then paste the link here using Control V or your mouse, and just simply press enter. Wait for a second, and now this paper has already also been added to my database here. And you can see it here, it's abstract and all of the other information. Now there is another way as well, which is the third way. Let's say that we want to add this paper here on systematic literature review into our database. What I would do now is I'm going to click on this icon here, the quotation icon. I'm just simply going to click here, and now I'm going to click the ref man. There are different methods here, about different softwares, and I'm going to just click on ref man, and now you can see this paper has also been added to my database. Here you can see it. So within just a couple of clicks, we have added three papers into the database. Okay, and I hope you liked the video and you have learned something new from the video. If you liked it, I would much appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like my video. Thank you.